Gentlemen of AI culture, on this channel we only care about two things, pretty AI girls and big bank accounts. So let me start your day off right with the AI models of the day. Her Instagram handle is right here across the screen. Now let us get into the financial tip of the day. A profitable side hustle one can do today is becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can earn a considerable income helping clients with administrative duties, bookkeeping, social media management, and more. According to Indeed, the average hourly wage for a virtual assistant is $16.14. In a week, you can make around $500 if you work 4 hours a day. My friend started his virtual assistant business 2 years ago, and he now earns more than $2,000 a month. He now has happy clients who are eager to refer him to others. And he loves the flexibility and variety that being a virtual assistant offers. Do what you want with that information, make sure you like for the algorithm and make sure you subscribe for the AI culture.